What's up, everybody? A bit off color, short video here. I saw these at the grocery store and I was like, it's a Monday, you know? I'm feeling a little blue. So why not try this? Takis Blue Heat. Now, what drew me to these was this little thing right here that said extreme. So let's give it a shot. My son wanted to try these, and he's 3, so he doesn't know any better. I got this sucker right here. Doesn't smell particularly evil. It's blue. I'm not a fan of off-color foods. Blueberry, yeah, but whatever. Let's give it a shot. Flavor's okay. Initial kick, not significant. Seems to be a slow build. A little spicy. The original Takis, I feel like, the original heat flavor, I feel like is a good level of intensity. This is not extreme. Honestly, like the Flamin' Hot Cheetos has a lot more intensity. I'm gonna finish this bag. Not looking forward to seeing what my bowel movement looks like. But anyways, not bad. Flavor, okay. All in all, safe. Do I recommend? What the fuck do I know?